Hi, I am from Phone Transformer, and today I'll show you how to view deleted items on Roblox, so you can check old accessories, avatars, or items that were removed from your inventory. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your browser and go to roblox.com, because viewing deleted or archived items can only be done through the website version of Roblox. Step 2, log into your Roblox account using your username and password to access your full inventory and account controls. Step 3, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then go to your avatar or inventory section where all your owned items are organized. Step 4, select the category of the item you want to view, such as accessories, clothing, or gear, because deleted items usually appear inside these sections as unavailable or item not found. Step 5, scroll through the category to find items marked as deleted or unavailable. These items will not load fully, but you can still view their old names and details. Step 6, tap the item to open its page, where you'll see information like its previous name, description, and a message stating that it is no longer available. Step 7, tap on the Robux icon, then select My Transaction to see past purchases. If an item was deleted by Roblox moderation, you might see a credit or refund notification in your messages, as shown in some user videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.